friends, my name is Miss Amina, and I am super excited to share this activity with you guys today. Today, we are going to be doing something super fun. Who here loves fall? Hands up, quiet mouths, hands up, hands up, hands up, stretch them high. Who loves fall? Miss Amina loves fall. It's my favorite season. And you know what I really love about fall? Crunchy leaves. I love pumpkins. I love hot chocolate. I love fall. So that's a little bit about me. I want to know a little bit about you. So I have name tags for you guys. Should be right in front of you. Go ahead and just take a minute and write out your names. And when you're done, just put them up so that I can see your names, so have them face me. That way, in my classroom, when we're wanting to participate, we're going to raise our hands, and I'm going to call on you, and I can only do that if I know what your names are. Okay, so go ahead and take a minute. Write down your name the best that you can. All right, okay, I'm seeing our name tags go up. Very good. Bryce, nice to meet you. Raya, I love that smile. I'm so happy to be here. Okay, guys, today we are going to be learning about shapes. And we're going to do that in a really fun way. We are going to make our own monster jack-o'-lanterns. Does that sound fun? Yeah? All right, okay. So, in front of you, I am going to be passing out a couple of these jack-o'-lanterns for you to start with a little baggie full of little shapes. Okay? You should also have, in front of you right now, a worksheet. Okay? That looks a lot like what Miss Amina has on the board right now. We're not going to start that just yet. We're going to wait for my directions. On this, you will see all these shapes. And what we're going to do is we're going to identify our shapes. That's a big word, huh? Identify. Can we clap that out? Identify. Can we do it on our head? Identify. On our arm. Identify. That's a big word. What that means is we're going to find them and we're going to put a name on them. Okay, so like this is a square. I just identified that shape. So we're going to go through this jack-o'-lantern and we're going to identify our shapes. And what we're going to do then is we're going to write down the number of each shape. And we're going to do that. I'm going to do that for you guys once, and then we're going to do that together, okay? And then I'll let you actually go ahead and start on your worksheet after that. All right, so let's look at our friend here. I'm going to call him Mark. We're going to call him Mark because he looks a lot like my friend Mike from a certain Disney movie, Monsters, Inc. Love that scary monster movie. Okay, so looking at my friend Mark here, we're going to see he's got an oval body, right? Oval. Can somebody tell me what the difference between an oval and a circle is? A circle and an oval? Let me see your hands. Raya, can you tell me what the difference between an oval and a circle is? Yes, that's right. It does look like it's just stretching out, huh? Yeah, stretch out your arms. Show me your best oval stretch. That's right, and a circle is like this, and an oval is all wide. The best way to see the difference between an oval and a circle is if you put a little dot right in the middle. Dot. And you try to draw a line from the dot to the ends there. Look at that. Doesn't that look even? That looks even, huh? This one looks like it's longer in the middle and shorter on the side, right? Yeah, circles are a lot more even because we all want even slices on our pies, don't we? Yeah, we want to share with friends. Okay, so oval. Mark is an oval, right? All right, what other shapes do we see on Mark? We see a circle, right? What's this? What do you think that is? Show of hands. Who can tell me what this shape is? Aaron. Good try. It does look like a square, huh? But it's a little bit longer on the sides. That's a rectangle. That's right. Good try. Rectangle. And a square has sides that are all the same. So we got a rectangle. What else do we see? We see a square for his feet, right? We said that before. He's got square feet. And these little funny things, these are his wings. Mark wants to fly away. He wants to fly away for the weekend. These are what we call semicircles. That one is a little bit of a new one, a semicircle. That's just half of a circle. So I'm going to draw that out for you so that you can see what that looks like. See, now this is a circle, right? We said this was going to be a circle. We're just going to take half of that. Let's just do a half circle. Half circle. We're going to count up how many half circles our monsters have. And you know what, friends? You get to make your monster any way that you want. Miss Amina liked that one eye. Look at those lots of teeth. She likes her monsters to have a little bite to them. You can make your monster any way that you want. Okay, so on mark, how many semicircles do we see? Try again. We're going to raise our hands. I'm going to call on someone else. Krista, go ahead. Thank you. Good raising hand. How many semicircles do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. His mouth is a semicircle. That's right. Good answer. I like that. All right. What else do we see? We see triangles, right? For his teeth. Yeah. Triangles. Can we count how many triangles? 1, 2. We can do this together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 7 triangles. All right, so we got 7 triangles. Do we see anything else? We see more rectangles, right? His eyebrow. His eyebrow is just one rectangle. He's got a little bit of a unibrow going there, Mark. And his legs, too, they're rectangles. So you'll see in your little bag, we've got little rectangles, we've got squares, we've got circles. You can choose if your monster has 1 eye, 2 eyes, 6 eyes, no teeth, too many teeth, or just 1 tooth. Up to you. You can make your monster any which way you want, but afterwards we're going to count them up. And I want to see on your worksheets a number for each one. And if we're having a hard time writing our numbers, that's okay. If you need help, just raise your hand quietly, and Miss Amina will come around and help you write your numbers, okay? Rule number 1, though, when it comes to writing our numbers, is we always start from the top to bottom, okay? So let's do, we said there were 2 ovals, right? His eye and his body, that's 2 ovals. We're going to start at the top and write the number 2, okay? We start at the top. Okay, so now I want you guys to give it a shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand out this worksheet, and I'm going to let you guys work on it a little bit. If you want some extra help, just raise your hand. I'd be happy to come and help you. And if you'd like, I can even actually go ahead and do a quick example so that you guys can see how to actually glue them on. Okay, so I am going to ask for a volunteer to tell me how many eyes our class monster should have. Raise your hand. Raya, how many eyes should our monster have? 1? Okay, you want to make him just like Mark? Okay, we can do 1. That's okay. Yeah, we'll do 1 eye. And then we can add in those teeth. We can add in whatever you want. This is your monster. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. So, Raya, since you picked the eye, do we want to point to a friend that you want to help you on where to put the eye? Oh, you're going to pick Janet. Okay, Janet, go ahead and tell me. Where do you want this eye to go? In the middle? No, on the bottom? Okay. This way? Okay, I got you. Right there, huh? Okay, that's okay. Our monster is having a lazy day, huh? Yeah, we'll just do that with our monster. Okay, his eye is going to be right there. Let's put his little eyeball in there. Just to make sure he can see. All right, so we're just going to glue it on like that anywhere you want. It does not matter, friends. We can have our eyes and our teeth and our nose, or we can even not have a nose. We don't have to have feet. He doesn't need to have wings. You can pick whatever you want on your monster, okay? We can give him a little hat. Do we want to give him a hat? Yes, okay, I like that. Go ahead. Let's give him a hat. Let's put him all the way up here. He's gonna have a little crooked top hat. I like that. All right, so now that you guys kind of understand how it's gonna look, I want you to go ahead and pull out your little monsters and open your baggies, and I'll be passing out some glue sticks, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. And then when you're done putting your monster together, we're gonna count how many shapes we were able to put on our monsters, okay? And then we're gonna do a little check at the end, see how you guys are doing, all right? So let's go ahead and get started on that. Good working. All right. Bryce, yes. Oh, you want to see how to put the teeth? Okay, I got you. Don't even worry. I got some teeth up here. I can show you exactly how to put them on, all right? I know they're teeny tiny, and you got some big teeth in there, too. You get to choose if you want big or tiny teeth. Let's do a tiny tooth. Okay. What shape is that, Bryce? Triangle. Good language. All right. We're going to put this triangle somewhere on our monster. Where do you want to put him? Down by his eye? Okay. We'll do that. Okay, that's one. All right, how many more teeth do you want? How many teeth total do you want? You want 3 teeth? Okay, we can do 3. See, I'm just going to put the glue on. And I'm just going to put them right next to each other. Okay, so we have 2 teeth on there, Bryce. How many more do we need to get 3? What comes after 2? 3. That's what we're looking for, right? Yeah, we're going to put on our 3rd tooth. Oh, look at our monster. Oh, it's a good monster. I like it. All right. So, how about we count up how many shapes we have on this monster right now, okay? So how many triangles do we see? Let me see your hands. We're going to have a quiet mouth. We're going to use our hands. Someone else. Krista, go ahead. How many triangles do we see? 1, 2, 3, right? Bryce just picked 3, right? So we have 3 triangles. Very good. What other shapes do we see on here? Go ahead, Janet. Rectangle, that's right. We have 1 rectangle, right? 1 rectangle. How many circles does our monster have? Go ahead, Judith. How many circles do you see? 2? Where do you see 2 circles? On his eyes, that's right. 1, 2. We've got 2 circles. All right. This is from our other monster. How many ovals do we see? 1, right? His body is an oval. 1 oval. Do we see any squares? No. Our monster's still a work in progress, huh? So we'll put 0. He doesn't have any squares on him just yet. All right. And we don't have any semicircles either. 0. Okay. So what shape do we have the most of? What's the biggest number that we see on our monster? Let me see your hands. Raya. 3? That's right. 3 triangles, right? So this is the most. That's right. Do we have any shapes up here? Or do we not have any shapes up here, I should say? Which shapes are we missing? We're missing two, right? A square and a semicircle, huh? What's the number on that one? 0, right? So that's the least. The least. The most and the least. Very good. All right, my friends, go ahead and work on those worksheets. And I'm going to go ahead and collect them and give you a couple minutes to do that. Kids are working. All right, it looks like my friends are all done with their worksheets and their monsters are looking really cool. I cannot wait to hear more about them. And you know what? You guys should give your monsters a name too. My monster's name was Mark. I want you guys to name your monsters too, and we're going to go ahead and share those a little bit later on. But for now, I wanted to say thank you for letting me share this really fun activity with you guys. I learned a lot about shapes, and I hope that you did too. I heard a lot of really great numbers out there. I heard a lot of great counting. Your worksheets look really good, and your monsters look even better. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Miss Amina, and I was so happy to share this with you guys. Thank you.